24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
I always love to stop and get the maps at the rest stops. So if they have a map,
I'm sure they have one there for you, Dan, but don't go there now. We need you for the weather forecast.
Well, thank you very much. Storm, it's over with. The snow that hit us, the rain in Utah County, and also we did have quite a bit of snow, especially from Bountiful northward. I had a report from Jeff James on the northeast Ogden bench. He says he recorded 2.5 snow, so quite interesting situation, snowing and causing slick roads. Now, this was a picture taken by Keith Finlayson of the beautiful St. George area. Yesterday, when the fog was forming after all of the rain you've had the last several days. It's been one of those crazy weather patterns. Now, as you look out behind me, this is the live camera shot of Salt Lake City. Still some light snow falling. It's 30 in Logan. That means snow that is falling is sticking to the roads, and we're going to have an especially bad problem on bridges and the overpasses. Even though this snow is mostly over with, it's 32 in Salt Lake City, and that means that those objects that are very, very cold will freeze, and that snow that fell, which wasn't very much, may turn into some black ice. In particular, I am concerned about places like Logan Summit, Sardine Summit, Trappers Loop, over towards Daniels and up into Soldier Summit, Parley's. Those areas will continue to see some very slick roads. Now, notice it's a chaotic weather pattern. It is 41 in Seattle, 42 in Portland, 44 in Medford, Oregon. It's all associated with this weakening storm system. It brought heavy rain to California yesterday as it moved across central northern Utah. It did produce that light snow, and the ground was cold enough that it was sticking. So some of the bench areas in Bountiful and up towards Centerville and up into Ogden did receive some accumulating snow. Notice there's a little break in the action right here. That is the back edge of the front. So as the front goes by, this little low is going to track towards the east. This storm system on the computer charts is projected to move north of us tomorrow. So we will see a very nice day tomorrow. But watch what happens as this storm system moves away. It produces some snow and then kind of peters out as it heads towards the Midwest. Here's our next storm system right there moving in along the coastline, and this is what we're going to be looking at Tuesday at 4 p.m. Notice the leading edge of this cold front will be approaching Utah, so an increasingly cloudy day on Tuesday, and then this cold front Wednesday is going to bring gusty shifting winds, heavy snow, and brutally cold Arctic air towards the end of the week. In the meantime, we have a nice day for you as we put these maps into motion. Notice that the Futurecast shows that there will be some showers early on in the Uinta Mountains, but really not much after that. Temperatures mostly in the 40s. For southern Utah, a beautiful sunny day, but cool, and it will be in the teens, so spots of, well, we had a little bit of snow across southern Utah, and even some rain, 0.03 in St. George this morning, so anywhere it does get below freezing, you are going to have some icy conditions. Now, 50, 49, 51, wind and rain. I even put rain and snow in the morning for Thursday in St. George, and look at those high temperatures, 30s for highs in St. George. In the north, the little snow that we've been having this evening goes away. You have that black ice problem. Overnight will clear out, and there may be some patches of fog locally dense in spots. Look for high temperatures tomorrow in the mid-30s. Look for a 39 high on Tuesday, and then rain turns to snow Wednesday afternoon. That cold front projected between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m., and then Thursday, 22, Friday, 19. 22 on Saturday. New Year's Eve comes in, frozen.
Wow, I guess so. Big change.
Very cold.
Okay, thank
19
you.
and 9.
And the weather is affecting NFL and our schedule too, right?
Absolutely. I don't know what we're going to do tonight. We'll find